Gunder corn grits, milling machine. Left and right handle partition control. Large capacity feeding hopper feeds smoothly. Easy operating. Automatic separation of clean corn kernels. Built-in high-efficiency dust removal fan. Grain impurities are discharged separately. High-yield powder is fine and uniform. Adjustable particle size. Finished product display. The product processing of corn grits milling machine. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping